Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily register for Bolt Driver's app. To get started for Bolt Driver or to sign up for Bolt Driver and start your driving experience, the first thing to do is to make sure you download the Bolt Driver application. If you don't have the application yet, go ahead and make sure to download the app from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you are done, launch the app open. From the first interface of Bolt Driver, to create a new account, tap on the Sign Up button. You will now end up in this page where simply go ahead and enter your email address, phone number, and the city where you will drive. Type in a valid email address in the first text box. After you are done, select your country code from the next drop-down and type in a mobile phone number. Select your city where you will drive from the next drop-down. Now, finally accept to the terms and conditions of Bolt Driver by checking on this last box and click on Sign Up as a driver. Now, verify your phone number by entering the verification code that you'll receive via SMS. Once you enter the code, enter the personal information on the next page for yourself. Type in your first name and then your last name. Select the language of your preference from the language drop-down, and if you've got a referral code to you, if someone referred you, you can enter their code in the referral code text box. If you don't have the code, leave it as it is, and then if you've got a multiple vehicle, you can go ahead and tap on I have a vehicle that I will drive and then select your vehicle manufacturer and model, the age of your vehicle, and then your license plate number, and also make sure to select the vehicle color and tap next. If you don't have a multiple vehicle, simply uncheck the box and then tap next. Enter your social security number or your national ID number in the first text box. If you've got a license for your taxi, make sure you check the box where it says I have a taxi license, and then make sure to enter your driver's license and other driving license and other details. Simply tap on upload file and then upload your driver's license information, vehicle information, and upload any required documents that will give you a proof of your insurance. Make sure that you meet all the requirements to become a Bolt driver in your area, and then once you've completed the registration process and your application is approved, Bolt will guide you through any additional steps like driving training, which might be online or in person. After that, you will be ready to receive ride requests through the Bolt Drivers app. And that way you can start earning money on your own schedule. That is how you can easily register for Bolt Driver app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.